Good evening, sir and madam. I am Kurbagaran from DET5C. My registration number is 03DET18F1084. My supervisor's name is Pon Rosmawati ABD Raza. And my title of the project is Smart Touch Switchboard. The introduction. The project I have created is Smart Touch Switchboard. My project aims to reduce the problem of switch users and also upgrade according to current technology. This switch has a model screen to open and close the lamp or fan. This screen we just need to touch to open or close the switch. After that, for the project, this Arduino has been installed for the switch program to operate it, and also it has done coding to run the Arduino. This project can also install Wi-Fi shield to operate using a mobile phone. And this is my project's overview. Problem statement. Users do not have the patience to turn on or off switch. With this behavior, the number of damaged switches often increase. With this behavior also gives a waste of money for humans. After that, if we turn on or off the switch when our hands are wet, will experience electric shock. The risk of loss of human life will increase. The objectives. Based on this problem statement, that accused to find a solution to the problem. Among the objective to produce this project is this switch we only need to touch the screen to turn on or off the switch. Thus we can also avoid wasting money and even lose of life. After that, we also can operate it using smartphone. We can operate it using the Blink app. The scope can use it in every house to turn on or off electric device such as fan or light. The purpose of this project is to avoid broken switches and also to avoid electric shock. This project also increase that can operate it by using a smartphone in Blink app. This is methodology. This chapter will explain in detail about the methodology that needs to create this project. In this project, I have used Arduino Uno marker, Wi-Fi shield, 2.8 TFT LCD screen, and relay to channel. And this is the example of the components. And this is the block diagram. This is the circuit operation. This is the flow chart of my project. After that, the result and discussion. The result of this project is I can successfully design and also operate this project. When I touch the screen to turn on or off the light or fan, can operate better. And also when I operate using a smartphone, can also operate without any problems. Discussions. As a discussion of this project I have created can operate well. I have coded on the Arduino marker to turn on to run the fan and lights. After that, I have installed a Wi-Fi shield to connect with a smartphone because it can operate using a smartphone by the Blink app. Conclusion and recommendations. The conclusion. In conclusion, the project I created can be beneficial for users. This project can also be of great benefit to senior citizens and also to housewives and also to all consumers, because senior citizens who cannot walk or who are unhealthy do not have to walk to turn on or off the lights or fans. They can operate using by the phone. This switch can also save time and also save money, because if users forgot to turn off the fan or light when they are not at home, they can turn off using a smartphone. Recommendation. My suggestion is that if the users the switch, confirms that they will get a lot of benefits. I hope the users will change the switch according to current trends. And this is the milestone of my project. This is the cost of my project that I buy for my project. That's all. Thank you. Good evening, sir and madam. Well, this is my project. My title of project is Smart Card Switchboard. Before I explain about my project, I would like to explain the component that I use. Well, this is the adapter for power supply, and this is the circuit of power supply. This is relay module 2 channel. This is LCD. This is Wi-Fi shield, and this is Arduino. Okay. Before first I need to open the plug. Here will appear waiting for Wi-Fi, so I need to open the hotspot to connect. We must wait for to connect the Wi-Fi. Okay, the Wi-Fi has been connected. Okay, so now I open my project. If I turn on the light will on. If I turn off the light will off. If I turn on the fan will on. If I turn off the fan will off. So now I operate by phone. I will use the Blink app. Okay, now here got two options, light, fan. So now I press the on light, the light will on. If I turn off the light will off. Okay, now I turn on the fan will on. If I turn off the fan will off. Okay, this is my project, sir and madam. Thank you so much.